Welcome to another edition of Small Talk for You. This morning I wanted to go through a little tool in Pharo. If I go to Tools, you'll find the Critic browser. If you're familiar with Visualworks, you've already seen this tool inside the browser. In Pharo, it's a little separate from the browser. So what you do is you open this up and you select the classes or categories of classes you want to check. So let's go ahead and say I want to check Go for Core. I'm going to add that over here, hit Next. And once that's done, it's going to go ahead and show me the list of Critic tests I can run. So I'm going to select all and just do add all, make all of those obvious and say next. And now it's going to run the code critic across everything that I moved over to the right in the initial one. And you see here that it's going to come up. And it found 60 things. So everything that's in red here, it's found some unclassified problems. Let's go into potential bugs since it found 2. And possible missing semicolon here. So over here in this, you can select here and it'll just bring this up. And what it's saying is that you've got a cascade and it's missing a semicolon because it probably thinks you want to put it yourself at the end. So it's thinking there really ought to be a cascade here with yourself. So it finds some things that are possible bugs. It also finds real bugs. Here in this case, it didn't find a real bug. It found something that you might want to think about. But the nice thing about this is if you go through this, everything that's a bug or a possible bug, it'll list in red. And you can go ahead and look at. So under coding idioms, you'll scroll down, you find here, add removed external collection. So we'll go ahead and here. So we have this reference over here and you can look at it again and you've got all the possible options. So here it's sending add removed to something that's not owned by this object and that's flagged as an idiom violation. So you can take a look for cleanliness and actual problems. And again, if you're familiar with Visualworks, you've seen this integrated into the browser here in Pharo. It's a separate tool. So that's about it for today. Until next time. Have fun with whatever small talk you're using.